Hi friends, this is David and you are watching my channel's Mahaguru News. Ji friends, we will discuss about the use of there is and there are. Before starting video, I want to say here, I request to all of you, please subscribe my channels, like, comment and share it. Let's start video. Come on the board. Use of there is and there are. There are two types. There are two types of use. There are two types of use. First, I will teach you with example. Example, वहां पानी था. Suppose that I am using here was and were, and there was also and there were also. Where will you use is? You can use there was, and where will you use are? You can use were. Okay, don't take tension and look here. Example, वहां पानी था. Then you will have to use there was water. There was water. Suppose that here will be only pani tha. Pani tha. Then what will be? Then you will have to use only there was water. There was water. Water. You can't use here there was water. Here will be there also. And you will use here. But pani tha, then you will have to use there was water only. You can't use that there or here, because that will be wrong sentence. Okay. And second, look here. Other example. Suppose that कुआं था. कुआं है या कुआं था. Only one कुआं है. Suppose that. Then you will have to write there is a well. A well. Look here properly. There is a well. But कुआं है कहां? वहां कुआं है. वहां कुआं है. Then you will have to write here there is a well there. A well there. There is a well there. I hope you understood that one example. And second use for number. Second use for number. Number. I'll look with example. Suppose that is only one apple. It is not look like an apple, but I make because I don't know how to draw. Suppose that apple, yeah, you can. That is a board marker. I am teaching you, and this is only one word marker, and you will have to speak and use of there is and there are. Then you will have to speak there is a board marker. Okay, but here will be two board marker. Then you will have to use there are two board markers. Clear? There are two board markers. Did you understand? Then if you will learn properly use of there is and there are, there was and there were, you can speak 1 lakh sentence properly. For example, you went in classroom and teacher told you will have to speak about this classroom and which things, how many things. Then you will have to speak there is a one fan. There is a, not one, you will have to use there is a fan in my classroom. There are 15 students in my classroom. There is one windows in my classroom. there are 14 benches in my classroom. And you can use like this sentence and you can speak 1 lakhs, more than 1 lakh sentence easily. So this is a very important there is and there are. You should also learn and understand what is the use of there is and there are. I hope you understood this one. Very simple. Suppose that you will have to speak about your house. Suppose that you will have to speak about your house. Then you will have to use only there is and there are. For using there are and there is, you can speak 1 lakh, and more than 1 lakh sentences. I told before, 2 minutes and 3 minutes. It is right. You will learn only use of there is and there are. I am promising with you. I'm giving you surety. You can speak more than 1 lakh sentences. Only use of there is and there are. For example, I am giving some example here. Suppose that you will have to speak about your house. Suppose that you will have to speak about your house. I am giving only few sentences here. For example, it means you will have to use there is there are like this. मेरे घर में एक मोटरसाइकिल है. Then what will be sentence? You will have to use only कि there is a bike या मोटरसाइकिल in my house. It is very simple. You can use lots of sentence like this. And second like this. मेरे घर में एक चापाकल है. The same sentence. Then you will have to use also there. There is a hand pump. Hand pump in my house. In my house. मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं. मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं. Then you will have to use only there is and there are. You know how to use there is and there are. You can speak lots of sentence, है ना, easily. For example, मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं. Then you will have to use here. There are 5 rooms. 5 and मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं. There are 5 rooms in my house. House. मेरे घर में 2 टेलीविजन है. The same things. Sorry. Then you will have to use same. There are 2 television या TV. You can write here TV short form. There are 2 TVs in my house या home. House या home. You can write here properly. And next, you are looking this one. This one. मेरे घर में 3 दीवारें हैं. दीवार घड़ियां हैं. So there are space is not here. Yes, you are looking, then write down. I am writing here. There are 3 wall watches in my house. In my house. I hope did you understand this one? Use of there is and there are. I am also revising. I told ki you know how to use of there is and there are. You can speak lots of sentence easily. Yes, it is right. It is true. You can speak about anything. You will go anywhere in past, futures and present. You can use. Because I am using here there is, and for past you will have to use was and here were, and for future you will have to use only will be. Clear? I hope did you understand this one. You will go anywhere, then you will come from there. Suppose that you went in anywhere and you came back from there, and what was there, then you will have to speak, and how much, how many was there, then you will have to use only there was and there were. Suppose that you came from your granny house and there was there was one well, and you will have to speak here how many was a fan, how many was a river, how many was sofas, anything, then you will have to use only there is, there are, there was, or there were. You will use and you can speak properly. Don't take tension. This is a very easy, and for beginners this is a very important. You will have to learn. You should learn this one. Hope guys, I will come in next video and I will discuss with you on next topic. Okay then, bye, and wait some minute and please subscribe my channel. Sorry. My tongue is slipping. Don't take tension, because I am also learner. I am not a teacher of spoken English. I am also a student of spoken English. So I am saying please subscribe